Hello, hi beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in today. Sheila here. This is Entebbe International Airport and this is what is happening at the moment. We are in December. People are coming back home. People are coming to celebrate the holidays. People are coming for vacation. The airport is busy. Just like you can see, the airport is busy. The airport is busy. People are many. The parking is full. Everything is as you can see. So anyway, let's move around for a bit. I had come to pick somebody. As you know, I do airport pickups and drop-offs. So I'm usually here picking people or dropping people. But anyway, I had come to pick somebody, and then I know you guys enjoy the airport tour videos. I was like, all right, let us get here. You see, Jaja Banang. And then I was like, okay, let us see what is happening. Let me show them what is happening, what is new, what's going on at the new terminal that they are soon opening. Generally, what is going on, yeah? So we are going to have a quick walk around. This is the arrival where we have been. And this is the new terminal bit. It is almost done, as you can see. I know I told you that a month ago. I know I told you that a month ago, but I also don't know when they officially opened it. But all I can say is it is almost done. As you can see, the parking was very, very full. You know, the usual parking where we park. So you see people are coming to park this side as well. Because just a few months ago, this parking was not accessible. It was, you know, they were still working and then the trucks and all that. But this parking is complete. And then they'll probably be opening the new terminal soon, yeah? But anyway, these are the arrivals where we were, where I was standing. This is how it looks like. This is what is going on. New terminal over there. It will be open soon. There is that green thing around the flowers. It has been there for months. I don't know what the plan is or what the plan was. I have no idea. But if you've been watching the videos I've been posting, that thing has been there from like May, June, somewhere there. The green thing that they put around the flowers over the other side. You're going to see, and we're going to get a bit closer. But anyway, this is the new building, the new terminal that they are completing anytime soon. I know every time I come, I tell you that they are completing it anytime soon. But well, as you can see, it is almost done. So let us wait for when they will finally open it, yeah? But people are many. Guys, people were many. Some time back, people were asking if we have seats. These are the only seats that we have. These are the only seats that we have at the arrivals. Some time back, somebody asked in a video, but are there seats at the airport? Why is everybody standing? So these are the only seats that we have, as you can see. You have to come early to get a seat. If you do not get a seat, you go and stand. People were many. But you can also see for yourselves. People are coming back. People are hugging themselves. People are giving themselves flowers. Just to know. Hey, December is going to December. Since Christmas is next week. You know what I mean, yeah? So it's a bit crowded. So you see this green thing? This is what I'm talking about. So I do not know if they replanted the flowers, if they were just keeping the flowers out of the people. Maybe the people were stepping in the flowers. I have no idea. But that green thing, is it a net? A safety net? Should we say it's a safety net? Because it's the same as the nets that they put around buildings when they are building or breaking them down. You know the one, yeah? Yeah, it has been around those flowers for a while. At first I thought maybe they were planting more flowers or something, but I don't know. Maybe soon enough we will see, but it has been there for months. Like 6 or 8. If you've been watching the videos, you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, so let's have a walk. This is the arrivals. So we are done with the arrivals. We are going to walk up to the departures, yeah? We're going to walk up to the departures. So this is me walking. This is the airport, Entebbe International Airport. If you haven't been there in a while, come on, walk with me. Walk with me. Let's go. As you can see, parking is full everywhere and anywhere that people can park. They parked. And now you see Jaja's posters all over the place. Everywhere they could put them, they put them. Actually, even recently, I saw a video on TikTok recently. There is a screen somewhere inside there when you arrive, and the first thing on that screen is Jaja. Anyway, that is not my concern. Let me just show you how the place looks like. But one thing we know, that this place is usually clean. There is no litter, yeah? So the cleaning team, we clap for you every time that I bring a video. We usually clap for the cleaning team. There is no litter. The place is clean compared to many other places, in, you know what I mean. But anyway, this is us. Let us move around. Let us move forward. So if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you are returning, thank you for coming back over and over. I really do appreciate you. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think about the place, what you think about the airport. I know most of you usually reply and you say that the airport videos make you miss home. Hey, Bobby. We are here, we are waiting for you. Whenever you will come, we will be here, we will be waiting. But yeah, usually most of the airport videos, some of you say you're missing home and then you feel like home and you know everything. But anyway, this is we're walking up to the departures, yeah. So drop me a comment, guys. I would like to hear from you. Please like the video if you do enjoy the video. Let me know the areas you would like to see. I've literally covered almost all the areas. Guys, tell me the areas you would like to see. If I wake up in the morning with no areas to give you, then I'll have nothing to give you. So let me know the areas you'd like to see. Chikajo, soon we're soon doing Chikajo. Very soon we're soon doing Chikajo. And the Entebbe Road as well. I think those are like the two pending ones at the moment. The Chikajo Road and the Entebbe Road up to Bukasa, yes, up to Bukasa, somewhere there. So let me know the areas you'd like to see. And we will work on it slowly by slowly. So you see, parking is full, very full, literally full. People were many. People are many. But well, let's walk. Let me show you around. Actually, most of you guys were talking about that chipande that says welcome to Uganda. There used to be an old one, yeah, and I remember someone commented and said that chipande has seen days. It looks like they changed the chipande, so the one that is there is newish. Yeah, it's new. It's not the other one. The other one, if you've been around for the other videos as well, it's not that one, yeah. So anyway, crossing over to see this new bit from up. So that is it. That is how it looks like. You see people parked there, yeah? The other parking is full and the other parking is full, so people started parking here, meaning they're opening the place anytime soon. I know I say that all the time. But when you're standing here, you can see some lights inside, you see? Like the counter lights, yeah? You'll be seeing the counter lights. The counter lights are odd, so anytime now, I'll be bringing you a video and telling you, you know what, I was dropping somebody or I was picking somebody and the thing is officially open. But anyway, as I keep on saying, for all those who have reached out, whether it worked out or it did not work out, I really do appreciate. Thank you for reaching out. Thank you for thinking about me and indulging me and involving me in money making schemes. But anyway, that is the place. Let us move forward and check out people are no longer excited about the gorilla. Remember when the gorillas had just come and then people were taking pictures and all that? People anyway, you're going to see, but you remember, because I did not take a picture of the gorilla. I just went close to it when they had just come, but no, I did not take a picture. But anyway, you're going to see. So this is what is going on. This is what is happening. This is the departures. As you can see, we have more people at the arrivals than at the departures. So meaning more people are coming in than moving out, yeah? So I don't know why they got that gorilla and they put it there in the corner. They're there in the corner because back in the day it used to be somewhere here and people used to take pictures because that was the whole point, right? The whole point was, you know, people to take pictures and then boost the tourism and you know what I mean. But I don't know why they put it there in the corner. But anyway, this is the place. This is the area. Very soon, definitely very soon, very soon, they'll be opening that place and I'll be bringing it for you that finally the place is open. And let us see what's up or what is going on. Yeah. So people are leaving. Usually this is supposed to be the emotional beat when people are leaving, but turns out the arrivals, there is a lot of love at the arrivals, I'm telling you. Usually in the movies anyway, The departures, people are hugging, people are crying. When will I see you again? When? But here, Mnange, wali wansiku arrival wali. People are proposing. People are proposing at the arrivals. People are bringing flowers. People are hugging for 10 minutes. I saw people. There was a couple that hugged for like 10 minutes. I was like, things are serious. People hugging for 10 minutes and more. People, flowers. There was actually a video on TikTok recently where this girl came back and then she liked 2 guys and then the 2 guys got to know and then they both came and they both proposed. One first proposed and then the other one also proposed. I don't know, something like that. I didn't get the full story, but something like that happened. Yeah, you people don't do those things. If you have one person, you stay with one person. Those things of 2 people, they'll beat you for nothing. But anyway, no. The advice I usually give is make money. If you love film ya Masasi, I'm also still fighting my old Masasi, but let us make money at the end of that day. You know what I mean? Let's make money. So anyway, that is the old beat. The old beat where the old beat used to be. It is now the VIP. Yes, it is now the VIP entrance. That is where the VIP people enter from. They do not come this way. In the Kavuyo over there where you see the flag, colors of the flag. But way back in the day, that used to be the main terminal and the main entrance where people used to enter. You used to climb those stairs. They either climb the stairs or pass the other side. Way back in the day. But now all the magic is this side, and probably very soon the magic will be at the new spot or something. I don't know anyway exactly what is going to happen, but let's wait for it and see. So that is it at the departures. I am sloping down at the arrivals now to wait for the person that I was supposed to wait for. To wait for them to come out, and then off we go to Kampala. So once again, guys, thank you for being here. I really do appreciate. Thank you for taking your time, taking your time off your busy schedules to come and watch and comment and like and pay for membership. Thank you, guys. It means a lot. And then also, guys, just in case you spot me in public, I know I don't do videos where I am there, but if you've been here long enough, at least you've seen me in a video somewhere, right? So just in case you see me in public, you can come and say hello. I know in public I seem unapproachable. You see here, I'm laughing. I'm laughing, I'm always laughing, but just in case you find me in public, it is a totally different story. I seem very unapproachable if you find me in person. But if you see me and you recognize me, you can come and say hello. But those things of seeing me and then I see someone who is overlooking at me, and then I get home and check my messages. I see someone sent me a message saying, Sheila, I think I've seen you. Banang, come on. The minute you say, Sheila, YouTube, I am from YouTube, I will smile. I will smile and we will have a chat and we will carry on. You know what I mean? So just in case you spot me somewhere, anywhere, say hello. Don't mind the serious face, don't mind the tough face, just say hello and then we move on. But anyway, moving forward, this is the place, so let us slope down. VIP access, that's where the VIP people pass. I've shown you where they board from here. So let us move forward and go to the arrivals down, and then that will be it for today. So it was supposed to be a quick tour, not a full-blown walking everywhere. This is the airport at the moment. This is what is going on. People are coming in, people are flying in. I actually thought people were not going to come because of the campaigns and all that, because some people were like, oh no, I'm not going to come because of the campaigns, or I'll come after the elections or things like that. But people are coming, people are many, But anyway, let them be with their loved ones and let them vacation, because you know how it is in December in Kampala. December can mean to December. If you know, December can mean to December. But anyway, moving forward. This is it, guys. Heading to the arrival. Up is the departures. Then down here is the arrivals, as you can see. The flowers this side as well. You see what I was talking about? I don't know what's going on or what they're doing. But anyway, let's move through and then see people for a little bit. And then that will be it for today, yeah? So... you have to look at something clean, most especially after the train videos that we watched. I know most of you here must have watched the previous train videos and everything that was going on and along the tracks and the houses and all that. So let us look at something clean, something organized. People many. Do you see? People waiting for their people many. There are no seats. We are all standing. You be there standing, and then the guard comes and says, don't exceed this point. You stand behind the pillar. Stand behind the pillar. Like as if we are in school. Anyway, that's our country. That's our country. What shall we do? Guys, I think you see, people are many. People are waiting. So anyway, this was me waiting for my person. So thank you guys for coming to work with me. Thank you for waiting with me. And then obviously I'll be seeing you in our next video. So to remind you, as always, please do like the video. Liking is important. Drop me a comment. Please share the video, subscribe to the channel in case you are new here. Tutambuza ekintu nga wentera obbagamba munange tugenda kutambuza kintu. But anyway, this is it. This is the airport. This is what is happening. So hopefully next time I'm there is something new to show, but you guys told me whether there is something new or nothing. You just bring us the airport whenever you're at the airport. So whenever I get a chance and I'm there, I try to bring it for you, yeah? So this is it. This is what is going on. The guys who work at the airport taxi, they don't usually like people taking videos, you know me, I'm always telling you the areas where they don't like cameras and the areas where, so that the people, these airport taxi people, even if the camera is not looking at him, he can mean to be tough and be like, don't put me in your things. Like, hey, mister, I've not put you in my things, Banang. Anyway, it's understandable. Sometimes the sun is too hot and then you're not seeing the clients and yet they need money at home and you know how these things go, yeah? But anyway, at the end of the day, we are all just, we are all out there trying to make it. So that's the other gorilla, the second gorilla. There were two, one up and then one down. But still, I don't know, people are not taking pictures like they used to when the gorillas had just come out. But that is people everywhere. I was going to say that is how Ugandans do. They first kutijisa something and then they don't want anymore. But that is it all over the world, right? Anyway, guys, I'll be seeing you in our next video. Thank you for being here and take care of yourselves. Yeah, bye bye.